Hi, this video about Cloud9 credentials. By default, AWS Cloud9 uses something called AWS Managed Temp Credentials. Cloud9 places the temp credentials into the environment automatically and rotates this case for us. But this method does restrict certain API calls. You might want to control API calls, and it can be made from the instance more granular. To do this, you can attach an IAM role to the instance and turn off AWS managed credentials. How we can do it? We need to navigate to Settings, AWS Settings. Here is Credentials. We can see AWS Managed Temporary Credentials. We need to turn off them. Then we can navigate to EC2 instance. EC2 instance. We can find our instance. This is Cloud9 instance. And we can in Actions find Security and modify IAM role. Here we can find role which we need to our Cloud9 environment, and or we can define custom role, or we can use defined role. So let's find that role. Let's create one. We can find basic Cloud9 role. This probably here is add users to Cloud9 role, or this is custom role which we created with CloudFormation, and we can find a service role for Cloud9. We also can find, I suppose, Cloud9 user role in. Let's try to create AWS service. Let's find EC2 next and find our Cloud9. So we can see administrator, user, and we can see permissions. For example, what we can do. This is allowed. So you can choose your role. So for this example, I use Cloud9 user, name it Cloud9 custom, and let's create, but by security reasons I can't create. You need to have administrator privileges for this, and then you can actually select that role which you created. That's all.